Hello and welcome to yet another episode of What's on My Table. So today I'll let Saujanya introduce what's not on the table, but we're going to get it on the table soon. So what's it, Saujanya?
It is our Sony Bravia 8x8K 55-inch TV.
Yes, so it's a 55-inch LED screen. We had a 32-inch panel, which was again a Sony. So we've upgraded to this and we're going to see what's in it for us.
We had it for 10 years.
We had it for 10 years, so we're going to be celebrating our 10th wedding anniversary soon, in a day. So let's see what's in the box. So we have all these things which we're taking out. This looks more like documentation and I think some sort of a cable. Looks like a power cable. This looks like the stand. Open these and share a picture with you. And now let's move this guy around. Yeah, I'm wondering we should pull it all out together and then we'll move. So let's do one thing, let's put this aside for now. Here. And
Should we be sleeping?
yeah. Is this the top?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what's in it. Yeah, this looks like it's the top. So you shouldn't press the panel. So you can do this. You can probably pull a hand in. Floating into this cover. Don't get it folded by the cover. Yeah, hold it tight. Don't touch the screen in front. Okay. Now get a hold of the bottom. Okay. I think we'll have to shift positions. So I'll go this way, you can come this way. Hold it on this way. Hold it tight. And yeah. The couple have shifted their positions. You have to come back, ma'am.
No, but you need to put the stand.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Can you put it on the carpet?
Okay, then you just keep it down slowly. Okay. Well, let's open this. Hold this tight. I'll let time open this one. So you hold it, I'll open this. You hold the TV. Got a pretty sleek metal stand, and this looks more like it's like a slide in and lock. That's what it looks like to me. So we'll figure out. Is it that way? Yes, it is. Okay, we've got two of these. Should come back. So we have to figure out how this goes. So we'll take this cover out. From to the end of the carpet. Okay. I think let's just turn it upside down. Hold it carefully with that thing. Like this. Not the front, only the frame. Maybe keep it this way. Okay, we've reversed it, and now we're gonna try and see where this goes in. This looks like we need to put it in this way. That was easy. That's pretty easy. So let's show you how this is done again. Just hold it so much.
Yes.
Okay, it's pretty simple. You just pull it out like this.
How do you pull it out?
Think like this. This should face out. So you have it like this. Hold it. So basically you have this. put it in like this. And it just locks in place. As simple as that. Now that it's strong. That's why I kept the other phone. Now don't hold this, it'll come out. So just hold it this way, below. Don't touch this. Take support here and hold this tight together. Make it upright once here. And then now let's
Should I take this out?
hold it.
Can you hear it?
No, that's the thing.
Okay.
What in keep this TV? I think the power unit is inside the TV. Ready? Come, we'll open that later. First we'll put this. Hello.
Yeah.
Come.
There's something there.
We'll do that later. Yeah. We'll show it in a top-down video. Come. Wait. The video is getting wasted. So we're going to lift it and put it back in place. Hold one here, not in front, madam.
I'll clear this out.
I'm going to put this in, so it's easy once we install it. Come here, Alpha. Good. Hold your behind. And one below the leg like this. Yes. And I'll place it on this. I think this is a good decision not to open it to the next size. Because I think this is, like we anticipated, the perfect fit for this space. Any larger would mean it would actually project out here and would look really proxy. So you keep the plastic cover like that. We've got this nice protective screen off. And that is the panel. So let's just take you through some of the features. So you're aware of it. I'm sure you've already seen these. She's quite happy that we have a new TV. So it's the new X80K. It comes with an X1 4K HDR processor. It comes with Triluminos Pro, Dolby Vision Atmos sound, ambient optimization. So don't make noise, no. Don't make that noise. So that's the Sony new X80K. It comes with the Sony 4D. So that's the Sony new X80K 55-inch. And it comes with the Sony X1 4K HDR processor, Google TV. User must connect a Google account to use certain advertised features. Triluminos Pro, which is probably a color technology. Dolby Vision Atmos, which is sound. Ambient optimization, which means it can increase and decrease the brightness of the screen based on the ambient light in the room. We've got hands-free voice search, which is a great add-on. Got Apple AirPlay and Apple HomeKit. And if you want any other information, you can scan this barcode. So let's go ahead and connect this beauty. Yeah, so the good part is, unlike the previous TV which came with this power unit, which was 19.5 volts, this TV does not come with a power unit because it's inbuilt. So I think we can just take this guy out. You want to use your nails. Got this thing out. this here for now. We just remove it later. So it's all connected and ready. I think we're going to switch it on now. Switch it on. Absolutely no buttons though. Here is the remote. This is the remote, just so you know. This is what it looks like. A pretty basic one. It's upgraded from the older Sony system, which was like really large remotes. So I'll let my wife do the honors. Let's go ahead. Yeah. I think you can switch it on. Yes, there you go. Let's try and reduce the ambient light here. How is the original cover? We need a warranty card. Oh, there's some other inclusions. Oh, there were batteries, is it? Oh, there are some cables. So let's see what's in this. While Virginia is working on the other things of getting it set. So you've got the warranty card here. I'm not going to open it now because we'll open it when the person who is supposed to be installing the unit turns up at the door. But from that we've got this part of the documentation. I don't know what these are for, but we'll figure out soon. Must be some clamps for cabling, I suppose. Got something here. These are the hubs to connect the TV. If you want to mount it on the wall, this looks like that. Then we got two batteries. How could they go without giving you batteries when they have a remote? So we've got brand new Sony batteries which are included. So we'll go ahead and use these rather than use the old ones. So we've got batteries from Sony. This one. There you go. This is a little different. You just place it like this and you push it in. So when you first look at the remote, it looks like this part comes out, but in real it's this part that comes out.
You switched it off while I was connected.
That didn't have to come on the recording. So we're setting up Google TV now, and this ma'am here is disappointed. She's never made a video before, so she doesn't know what is to be censored and what is not. So this is for her first experience where she's documented her violence against her husband. Verbal violence.